Welcome everyone to second day, that is day 20 of affiliate marketing for digital products. And today we'll be focusing on how do we find the various products, other products apart from Buildroll, which are related to digital world and we can do affiliate marketing with. Okay, so when we talk about other products which we can do affiliate marketing with, there are multiple products available. In fact, whenever you go to any of the websites, you can definitely look out for the affiliate link. Okay, yeah, there are couple of websites which actually have a bunch of products which you can affiliate with. For example, ClickBank, JVZoo. These two are the websites where you can definitely register yourself, get yourself registered, and you will find that there are n number of products which are listed, and you can do the affiliate marketing of these products. And the percentage commission is also huge, and definitely you'll see a lot of good income into your pockets once you start doing it. But yes, it does require a lot of efforts. Definitely, it requires a good amount of pre-registration as well. That is, you need to have your website, you need to have your Facebook page, you need to have some way how or some strategy how you're going to market yourself, or your account creation is not done and you are rejected. Okay, so that is the reason it is a compulsion that you definitely need your prerequisites done. Apart from that, Munch Eye is one of the platform where you can see which are the products which will be launched very soon. Okay, so when you go into this particular website, you will find the n number of products. At the same time, you will know what is the launch date. So based on launch date and what is the product and how much is their commission for affiliate, you can select the right product which actually is best for your niche. Do not just see the percentage and start selling the product. Trust me, your target audience are going to be confused very badly. Always make sure that you link up to one particular niche. For example, when here we are doing digital product, we look for other digital products only and not any other type of products which is not linked to digital marketing. Okay, so we select right product for us, we check out on the percentage, we see which is the promotion date. Based on all these things, we can start promoting. Okay, apart from that, there are individual products as well. As I told you earlier as well, any products, I'll say at least 80% of the products are such where you can affiliate with. One of the trending affiliate product which goes in market right now in India is the Amazon. But when we link to digital marketing, these are all digital products where you can have your affiliation with. Few of the products do allow you to affiliate without buying it, but yes, few of them definitely requires that you first have your subscription done and then you can do the so yeah, you'll have to go through the terms and conditions of all these things. And definitely when you're going into affiliation, you need to first always make sure that you read the terms and conditions. Reason, there are few people who have registered themselves as affiliate. They have earned the income. Unfortunately, they could not actually get the income for many reasons, and these reasons all are notified into terms and conditions. So make sure that you read them very well. They are not that big bible that you won't understand. Trust me, it's something which is readable. So make sure that you read all these terms and conditions. So these are just a couple of tools. Apart from these, there are many other tools with which you can do your affiliate. So yeah, that's all. Apart from that, just one point I wanted to highlight once more. It's not about only the tools which I have mentioned here. I repeat, any website which you feel that is related to affiliate marketing, related to your niche, just scroll to the end and check if it has the affiliation. You can start its affiliation. Okay. So yeah, with this, I end today's call. That is second last day. So we meet tomorrow for the last meeting. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.